If you are looking for the perfect hotel in Negril, Jamaica with direct access to 7 Mile Beach, amazing food, room service and an all-inclusive option, stop scrolling and watch this video until the end. This is Charelle Inn Hotel, located right in the heart of Negril's famous 7 Mile Beach. The hotel started back in the 80s with just 12 rooms and today it offers 59 beautifully designed rooms. It's owned by a French Jamaican family and you can feel that unique blend of cultures in every corner of the property. Cozy rooms, a peaceful pool, a dreamy beach, warm Caribbean waters, and the kindest, most welcoming staff. Evenings here feel like magic, with golden sunset and live jazz music under the stars. Expect French wines imported directly from France, homemade croissants and eclairs, and a menu that beautifully combines Jamaican soul with French elegance. Save this video for your next trip to Negril, Jamaica. You might have just found your new favorite place.